Welcome to GI Blueprint X. In today's video, we are going to be placing windows on this project. To begin, we are going to ensure that we off the line weight. So right click, move down to true line weight. We are going to click on the windows. Then we are going to choose the kind of windows we are going to use for our project. We are going to start with the windows of the room. So select double window 27. Move to preview and positioning. You are going to set width of the window to 150, the height to 1.10. On the seal story, you allow it at 1 meter. Move to basic window settings. You are going to use this arrow to navigate in front. Select uniform frame width, uniform searches. Choose a window handle style 2. Under 3D projection, select override model view options and unselect opening line view. Under casing, we are going to select outside casing and inside casing. Once done, we are going to click OK. Then we are going to close the basic window setting and move to floor plan and section. Under override object line types, I'm going to select override object pens. I'm going to accept. Symbol line pen, I'm going to change this line pen to blue. I'm going to equally click on override object attributes, then move down to dimension maker. I'm going to change from no marker to basic window door skyline marker. Select uniform marker pen. Move down to marker text style. I'm going to reduce the text height to 0.7. Once done, I'm going to move to marker settings. Instead of by, I'm going to change that to X. Move to classification and properties. Here I'm going to type in WD101 window type 1, and we're going to start naming it from 1. Once done, I'm going to click OK. I'll start placing my windows for the rooms. I'm going to start this way. Once I place my window, I'm going to move it down by 0.8. Press enter. Click back on windows. I'm equally going to position another window this way. I'll ensure that it actually matches the wall. For this room, we are going to place the window towards this edge. And we drag the window in by 0.75. Press enter. We are going to place another window this way. Make sure you select the window to this point and drag in 0.8. Well, this same window repeats with the other room above, and we want them to align equally. This window repeats with the other room above. This room, and this room repeats above, so we want their windows to equally match above. So navigate to 3D. Right here on 3D, press shift on your keyboard, select window 1, which is going to go above window 2. Press O on your keyboard and select Windows 3. You are going to press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, move to the edge of the wall beneath here, and drag the window by 3 meters. So type in 3 meters on your keyboard, press enter. Let's dive into the second set of windows, which are the windows for the toilets. So you are going to click on windows, move to preview and positioning, change this to 0.7 and change this 1.1 to 0.6. The seal height, we are going to put in 0.50, and once done, we are going to click OK. Move ahead to place your window. I like to place it at one edge, then I have to shift it to this point, drag in 0.35, press enter. I'm equally going to place the same window on the opposite side, and I want to place it here. I'll move a copy to this point and drag in 0.35, press enter. I'm going to do the same for this toilet. Click on window. I'm going to put it at this point here, and I'm going to drag in 0.65, press enter. Select all the toilet windows. Move to annotation, which is double click on windows, move to classification property. I'm going to change this from WD1 to WD2, and starting from 01, click OK. So as you can see, our window has adjusted WD01 this way. We can readjust for this case. So you select the window, double click on windows, and you can change it here, WD02. And finally here you click on windows, we have WD03. click OK. So the window of this toilet, press O on your keyboard and rotate. Press O again to recancel and press Shift on your keyboard. Select the other window. Press Ctrl Shift Z on your keyboard to make a copy. You are going to select from this first point and type in 3 meters. Press enter. So our toilet windows are now on our first story. So if you move to first story, you are going to notice that we have our toilet windows this way. So the toilet windows are labeled as WD02, WD03. We are supposed to place another window on this toilet which doesn't align. So you are going to position the window this way, shift it to actually align to the wall and drag 0.35. Press enter. Label back the window. So select this window and move to document. Select this window, click on design, double click on windows. Under ID number WD204. This other window on the first story will be WD205. So click on Windows WD205. This way will be Windows WD06. So there are 6 of toilet windows present in this structure. We are going to move into placing windows for the kitchen, and that will be WD03. So click on Windows, go to Preview and Positioning. We are going to change the window width to 1.0 meters. The height of the window we are going to put it at 1.10 meters, and from seal story we are going to put in 1 meter. Once done, we are going to move down to classification properties, and under ID change from WD1 to WD3, and the window will start at WD01. Once done, you are going to click OK. First window this way. So you are going to see a line that is going to come out at the middle here, which is showing that this is the center of the wall. You are going to place your window. The window for the family house is bigger, so we are not going to place the window this way. We are going to move to first story and place the window for the studio. There's a line that is actually showing this way, where it's showing that is the center of the wall. Place the window that way. Same here. You are going to look for that line. Place your window. The kitchen for this section, shift the window to the wall. So we'll try to shift the window to interlock with the door. So we're going to place window for the parlor, dining, kitchen, and to do that we are going to double click on windows. We are going to choose the same model of windows, then move down to labeling. We have WD401. Under preview positioning, we are going to have our windows start from seal height 0.50, and the height of the window will be 1.60. The width of the window will be 2.0 meters. Once done, we are going to click OK, and we are going to position our windows at the center of the wall. So this is the center this way. We are going to position our window. You are going to see a line coming out from the center. So this is the center this way. For the parlor, we are going to put the window to align beside the door, and we are equally going to put the window at the edge of this kitchen. We are going to navigate to the first story, and still on those windows we are going to place the first window this way, the second window at the center this way, the third window same here at the center, with all our windows set. In the next video, we are going to place furnitures in this project. Stay tuned.